Hello, Ashley Rose here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm still here in the editing suite because you are about to watch part 2 of my first makeup tutorial on this channel, my basic Ashley makeup look. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, it was super long what ended up coming from it because I explained the entire makeup look and there's a lot of content there. So, for this half of the video, you will see the end of my makeup description, which is going to start with the eyeshadow, which is very exciting, a very cool part, my favorite part. So if you haven't already, you might want to go watch this video here, the part 1, to see what happened and get caught up on that. But otherwise, you will see me starting from having the foundation and blush and ready to go on the next part. In the first video, I also described my first time putting on makeup and the story of that. So make sure you go back and watch. Enjoy this second part. And yeah, thank you all for coming back to my channel. Let's do some eyeshadow. All right. So this one is my favorite, and you can see I've dropped it. It's broken, but it still works great. What I am gonna do first is I'm gonna choose one of these like lighter pinks and do it as kind of like a base all over my eye. That's what I like to do. Just kind of put this on. I like to do up on the eyelid for the lighter one to kind of get it like, So we'll do that on both sides. Okay, so that is the base. And then what I like to do, wipe off the color on your wrist. I am gonna do a little bit, one of the darker pinks and gold, kind of like going out and on top of that. So I'll do the pink and then the gold, I think. So we'll do like kind of starting in the middle. Okay, and then I'll do the gold. I'll do the gold probably over the whole thing, like. Okay, that is not the end of it for my kind of day-to-day look, because my favorite thing to do is to put sparkles on top of things. Pink sparkly. So get some of the pink sparkles, put it all over the top until it looks sparkly. Now I've done much sparklier looks, but you gotta get at least a little sparkle for me. A little glitter. I love glitter. So the other thing that I want to do is glitter eyeliner. This is not an uncommon Ashley look. I love glitter, as I mentioned, so when I don't have too much glitter on my like eyelids with the eyeshadow, I sometimes like do, or like if I have a darker color especially, like I like to do a little glitter eyeliner. The glitter is my absolute favorite. You always have to be careful with eyeliner, and I honestly don't like it very much because it's so hard and I don't like how it looks all the time, especially with the black. But the glitter one is liquid, and I think glitter is more forgiving because if you have glitter all over the rest of your eye, like it still looks great, but like if you have like black kind of smudges all over everything, like that does not look good. And like you don't have to like pull your eye straight for this. I don't know, like eyeliner can be tough, but you see, like that's really cool. So I like this eyeliner because it's easier to put on and so pretty and sparkly. What I like to do sometimes is do like a little bit under, just like to the middle, because I think that's a fun accent. I love being sparkly. So see, I got a little bit up higher, but it's just glitter, so it's fine. Just more glitter on my eye. Not a big deal. In my opinion, at least. I know some people have some different thoughts. Okay. But we are now finally on the final, well, no, not the final, second to last step, but the last step of the eyes. I'm gonna do my mascara. And you can see, like, I blink onto it. You don't, like, just wipe it. That's the way I learned how to do it. It works pretty well for me. And I like to do the bottom as well. You just kind of, like, rub it side to side on those. Yeah, you don't have to do a ton on the bottom, just enough so that it kind of shows up. That's okay for now. I think that's not too bad. You know, obviously I would like the mascara to be a little bolder if I could, but I think that's what we're getting for today. And then the other eye. Now, sometimes I do like try to get some more mascara on it and put it in here, but my friend, back when I first learned, did tell me that you don't want to like pump your mascara brush in the tube too much, because it gets like more like bacteria in it, and it's not actually good for it, and it goes bad sooner. So you don't actually need to do it every time. Try not to get it in other places. If you do, don't try to wipe it off. Just use your fingernail to get it off, because especially if it's a small thing, it goes way better just to like fingernail. Otherwise it gets everywhere and spreads, and it's not good. All right, I'm gonna do the bottom. Okay, and we're almost done with a not super uncommon Ashley makeup look. The final step that I'm gonna do for this is lips. So I don't tend to wear lipstick a lot, even when I'm doing makeup, especially not like a bright lipstick. I would do like a pink lipstick maybe, but like a kind of like a subtle one. I also sometimes just do like lip gloss, and I always put on chapstick first with that and then lip gloss over. So let's see what we want to do today. My little bag of lip stuff. Just start with some lip gloss, just a little. Pomegranate, yum. All right, so the one that I have more so these days, I got like, it's more of like a real lipstick, but it's still just like pink. And so I can do it, not super careful about the edges. I don't have to really deal with that. But then I don't want it to be so bright. I mean, like, it's not bad if it's bright, but it kind of clashes with the light pinks that I'm doing with this. So I'm gonna blot so that I get a bunch of the color off and it's much lighter. And then what I would do in that case is then put a little bit of lip gloss on top. So I actually have a lip gloss from Spain. It's like a cheap one I got in a drugstore, but I actually really like this lip gloss. And you just, okay. And then you get like kind of like a shinier, a little bit more of a matching color. So even though it's not exactly the same as the top, it's still not like as much of a bright kind of contrast. So there you go. My final makeup look. I like it. I think it's like, it's pretty, and it kind of just makes me look like happy and put together and make me feel a little put together, which is nice. I definitely don't think that people have to wear makeup every day if they don't want to. I know this is a whole like patriarchy discussion, and that's a whole question, but it's never really been a thing for me to feel like I need to wear makeup every day or just to be presentable or anything. But I really do enjoy doing it. I feel really pretty and nice, and I love sparkles and being sparkly. So thank you so much for joining me for this makeup tutorial / watching me do makeup sort of thing. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment below what you think of my technique, or if you enjoyed watching it, or if you learned anything new. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications, the little bell, so that you will know when I'm posting something new. Thank you guys for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this video for you. And yeah. Mwah. Bye.